How to view satellite on Google Maps. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to switch to satellite view in Google Maps, you may follow up the steps. So, first of all, open up the Google Maps application or the website. And once you open it up, you can basically look out for the layer icon, which is usually located right under the search bar. Tap on it, this one right here, and you'll be finding three different options for map. One is default, one is satellite, and one is terrain. So if you'd like to switch over to satellite view, tap on the second option and the satellite view will be applied. Now, once it is applied, you may just head over and pin the location or zoom out in the location that you would like to view in your maps. Just go ahead and do so, and you'll be finding the particular location in the satellite view, providing a detailed view of the terrain and buildings. You can also choose Google Maps, satellite view after you pin the location. And that is it. So if you'd like to view satellite on Google Maps, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we'll be seeing you in another video.